Yeah. Look. I pity the nigga that stepped to me though. Flow too clean, I'm bite by new tuxedos. Been the shit since now later popping and buying hot Cheetos. Shit a free throw, easy. Please believe me, baby. Bought a Tesla, bought a Rolex watch, and I ain't dreaming, baby. Scheming, maybe. Dina raised me. Really from the section with them killers, drug dealers, thug niggas.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Mel, and welcome back to my channel. We are bringing crochet back. I don't know. I feel like I've heard a lot of talk, or I've just seen crochet leaving the scene, and I don't understand why. Before sew-ins, before anything, I was a crochet girly, and I still stand by crochet. With that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to do the super versatile crochet braid look that kind of emulates a sew-in, because we're going to leave some hair out. I know that sounds alarming, but don't be scared, because I'm going to show you a really good blending technique I use, so I don't even have to really manipulate my hair every day, because I'm going to blend it really good with this hair. This is my first time trying out this brand, Trendy Tresses, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I would say 10 out of 10. I got 5 packs and I end up only using 3. A lot comes in 1 pack and the hair is really, really full. You guys always comment show a maintenance video or different type of stuff in the comment section. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification button so you guys will stay notified when I post. I post every week, usually on a Monday or Friday. That being said, let's hop right into this video. So this is the hair I'll be using. As I told you guys before, I got 5, but I actually ended up only using 3. So I did have 2 packs left over. This is my braid down pattern as well. So as you guys can see, what I have braided around is the hair that I'm going to be leaving out, and then everything else that's braided up is your foundation. So because my hair was braided in a circle, I'm just crocheting the ends into it to hide it. You can also sew this if you want to. That's optional, but crocheting is just a fast way. You don't have to sew it down. I'd say the main benefits of sewing it down, honestly, is sometimes with the crochet it could come loose when you have the crochet braid in, and you can accidentally cut it off, but it doesn't always happen, so it's literally up to you. As for the crocheting part now, I'm not doing anything extremely fancy. I am just doing a standard crochet braid. I know there's different ways to do it, invisible knots, da-da-da-da. But because we're having leave out around our head, there's really no need to do anything too crazy. So I'm just doing a standard crochet. I'm not really leaving much space in between because I want everything to be full and covered, at least for that row. The first row around your leave out. As you get more into the middle, if it's getting too full, you can leave spaces in between because it won't be that visible. So that's the thing with crochet. It's all about placement, to get it to look decent. So in the front now, we're going to do our pieces a bit smaller because I don't want it to be too bulky right along the hairline. And same thing, I'm just doing a regular crochet. You can do invisible if you want to. The thing for me, this hair is pretty yucky, but when I do the invisible part, the invisible method, I always feel like it doesn't hold that well compared to if I just do a knot. And I just don't think it's necessary if you're gonna leave hair out. That's the whole point.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Now time for the fun part, or not so fun part. Trimming and shaping. Ignore my mom in the back. She's just going outside with my baby. But yeah, trimming and shaping. So I'm kind of going just for like a little framing around my face, mainly cutting away the straggly ends. I'm not doing anything too crazy. I'm not the best at shaping, especially when it comes to shaping on synthetic hair. But I do just need to get rid of some of these ends, and I'm also going to be cutting some length off of the back just to make it all consistent around my shoulders, framing up some bangs around the face. Yeah, you just want to play with it. I always suggest doing a little bit at a time because, you know, once you do a big amount, it's just gone. There's nothing you can do. So do a little bit and just see what you like. So now for blending your leave out, there's two ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the fastest way because, you know, I'm filming this video for you guys. So I am going to be using a very, very skinny curling wand. This is honestly my favorite curling wand because it's so skinny and I feel like it curls 4C hair really, really well. So that's one way to do it, to use the skinny curling wand. The other way, if you have more time and you're going to sleep on this overnight, you can use a perm rod and do rod sets on your leave out, and you'll accomplish the same look if you want to stay away from heat. Me, I don't really care. I'm not scared of heat. I'm like, whatever. So yeah, so pretty much these, because the hair has a spiral curl, you want to emulate that. So anytime you're doing leave out with any type of textured hair, you want to manipulate your hair in a way where it resembles the hair. Like if this was more crinkly, then we do a braid out. If it was a little bit more like a spongy looking, we do a twist out. But because it spirals, we're gonna do wand curls. Now, if you have shorter hair, you may not even need to do this with your leave out. You could just honestly use some gel and comb it back, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit.
In the universe, working itself out. All that I have is all that I need. But to actualize it, I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me.
then another blending technique I like to do is just separate the curls and kind of twist my hair into the crochet hair so it's all just like blending together and you don't see that length difference. So I want to show you guys another way you can wear this style as well, a half up, half down. You can also put it up, but I thought this was really cute. So I was like, let me include this in the video. But that is it. These are like behind the scenes from the short form content I was making. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this. I definitely would give this hair a 10 out of 10. It was really good. Price point was great. Yeah, let me know if you give this a try. Bye.